Hi, baby crawdad. Oh, let's find you and we're gonna eat you. Oh, it's a mini lobster. He's right here. You can see him, right?
He's cruising.
We are on a hike with Rachel, Michelle, and baby. Gotta watch our footing because it's really slick. Walk, walk, walk.
So as we were walking along the trail, Scott decided to go down and explore the river. And we came upon all these little places to swim. Hi.
There's a pool right there that's really deep. It's like 80 feet deep.
Wow. Like 80 feet? I have no idea what he's saying. What's that?
I have to get down there to that rock right there.
Just some little Aztec ruins.
Rock landing.
The rock landing? Scott decided to go for a swim in the glacier cold water. He has no idea how deep it is.
Jump in! Don't drown!
Yeah, don't get your shoes stuck on something.
I can't see anything.
You're gonna have to jump in.
Just don't get your shoes stuck.
What?
Don't get your shoes stuck on a rock and sink.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to have to come save you. Well, I'd save you, but...
Do it!
Scary.
You don't have to do it.
Do it!
I am already like.
Do it!
So?
Do it!
God.
Here, I'll get a picture.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I was just kidding, but I told him to climb up there.
Don't ever tell him that, because he will.
Like,
Fearless.
no! Don't do it!
Don't jump! Scott's up there somewhere. He just keeps climbing higher.
Scott!
Jump! 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 Okay. I'm kidding, don't jump. It's not deep enough. Hi, Catherine. Look at you. Close up on baby Catherine. No, I almost tripped and fell. Try it again. Catherine Lofton, you're so cute.
Just eat it. Straight in the mouth. And she eats food.
Thank you, Catherine. There's Michela. I used to always want to live in a tree. Kind of like that.
It'd be like Moses.
Yeah.
You wanted to live in a tree like
I
that?
wanted to live in a tree.
Take her away.
Find a stump, clear it out, and live inside it. It was a childhood dream. Still is a dream, but I chalk it up as a childhood dream so nobody makes fun of me.
Catherine didn't want to be in the front pack anymore.
Yeah, she didn't.
She wanted to be out with the action.
Cuddles.
I think she really wanted to go swimming, but
She's gonna go swimming later in a little bit.